Hello, my name is Kiara Makeda Romba, and I'm a student at Shoreline Community College. I come from Ivory Coast, Côte d'Ivoire, West Africa, and this is actually my last quarter here at Shoreline. I'm graduating in 2 weeks. And for the future, I plan to do OPT, optional practical training. That means I can work for 1 year. And as far as I am now, I can actually see how much I matured, how much I've grown through all my experiences here at Shoreline. I had like beautiful encounters, I had beautiful experiences, and me and my family members, like everyone around me can see how much this experience changed me for the better. So I'm graduating in 2 weeks, and now I'm planning to do OPT. What is OPT? OPT is a period of time, 1 year generally, when I can work, have a professional experience about my major, my current major, which is communication. And so after that 1 year, I plan to transfer to university and continue until I get my bachelor's degree. And so I'm very excited to do that because this is something I really wanted to experience here, like have a professional experience and see if it's really what I want to do and orient my career after about my professional experience.